Is this a comb I'm using as a mic holder? Yes. Why? Because this gown is just too beautiful to get wrinkled up. I did not know where to place this mic. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use this comb. Creative, right? Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and as we've already established, this is my mic holder. Why? Because this dress is too pretty. But enough about me. Today, I'm going to be telling you about the biggest mistakes content creators make. And oh no, scratch that. Today, I'm going to be telling you biggest mistakes I made and how I am now navigating and avoiding them. Number one, inconsistently posting your content. Yes, you watching this video, you've posted a video last week and you're thinking, should I leave this for another 2 weeks? No. Think of the algorithm as your relationship. Do you reach out to your partner every 2 weeks? No. Because after that 2 weeks, they would have found another person. They would have found another love of their life. That is exactly how the algorithm works in every social media platform, which is why I post twice a week on YouTube, because I don't want YouTube to look for another partner. I want him to be my forever partner. You get me? So, if you're starting out as a new content creator and you're thinking, I'm going to be posting once a week, don't. Number two, ignoring audience engagement. Now, at the time when I started, I was scared of my own voice. I know that sounds crazy. But yes, I was scared of my own voice because I didn't like how I sounded. So once I posted a video, I would not go back to that video after like 2 days, because by then it would have simmered, marinated, and probably see the comments. I'll not say that, oh, someone from Facebook made a comment. Yeah, it shouldn't be so. As you're posting that content, make sure that you're all up in the comment section. And if you're like me and you've not really grown as a content creator on Instagram, assuming it's Instagram you're using, try as much as possible to post that on your story. Post on your story, then go to your analytics and see the people that your content resonates with. Because at the end of the day, you're doing the content for them, not for yourself. I call everybody's social media channel their personal diary. But at the end of the day, you're putting that content out for someone else to watch. So why aren't you all up in their comment sections? It's better if I hold it like this. Anyway, the third mistake, just posting trends without any strategy. I have said this time and time again, but if you're a new viewer on this channel, do not be posting trends without having exactly what you want that trend to relate to. For example, the somebody's watching me is my anxiety trend that was trending. I noticed that it related to some people, and some people just did it because the sound was trending. If you're trying to jump on the trend, have a strategy at the back of your mind. Who do you want this to relate to? The caption you're going to post, who are you targeting? Because the caption you're going to put on that video, on that sound, it should have a particular audience. Sorry, I'm shouting at you, but I'm trying to teach in a loving manner, but you get the point, right? Now, the fourth mistake, focusing too much on perfection. Oh, honey, when I started, the number of video editing I was doing, and I noticed that the videos that actually did well, that I posted and they did well, are videos that I didn't even need to edit too much. I then realized that focusing too much on perfection ruins your whole thing. Because at the end of the day, you're like, oh, I think I've spoiled this video. Oh, I think this is not good enough. It's never going to be good enough. Post that content, even if it looks like trash after you've recorded it, because that's just how it is. I don't know. Whenever creative people do something, at first it looks good, then after a while it looks weird, and after a few minutes you're asking yourself, why did I create this in the first place? It's never going to be perfect. So try as much as possible not to let the idea of perfection ruin everything. Now, the last mistake, understanding your unique voice. It took me a year and a half to realize that being rigid and serious is not my calling. Have you ever seen me do a video without laughing or smiling or cracking a joke? Yes, because I tried that before and it's not my calling. I tried copying some creators along the line. It's good to get some creative ideas from creators, check out their content. What are they posting that people are relating to? I get it. But you cannot be like any other person but yourself. You have just one you in this world. Even if they say we have doppelgangers, you are still one person. Twins are not, even twins that are born from their mother's womb the same day are never even the same. See where I'm going to? Yeah. So try to find your voice. If you realize that this is the way you talk, trust me, there will be 10 people behind you that can relate to you. So post that content regardless of it's not being like that popular Instagram creator, popular influencer that you are seeing online. Also, They didn't get to where they are by being other people. The Kardashians will forever be the Kardashians. They are the only one and only Kardashians. Michael Jackson will forever be Michael Jackson, right? Same thing with every popular person out there. Be yourself. Yeah, try to find your original voice and just go with it. Anyway, that is my TED talk for today with my trusty mic holder. I think I'm going to be keeping this. You might be seeing this guy make an appearance a couple of times. Anyway, I hope my video has been engaging, educative, and informative as I love it to be. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.